Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was known far and wide for her kind heart and adventurous spirit. One sunny morning, as the birds sang and the breeze danced through the trees, Lily decided to embark on a journey to explore the enchanted woods that bordered her village. With her trusty backpack slung over her shoulder and a map in hand, she set off on her grand adventure. As she ventured deeper into the woods, the trees seemed to whisper secrets of ancient magic, and the air was alive with the buzz of unseen creatures. Yet, Lily marched on, undeterred by the mysterious atmosphere surrounding her. Suddenly, she stumbled upon a clearing bathed in golden sunlight. In the center stood a majestic oak tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like outstretched arms. And beneath the tree sat a wise old owl, its eyes gleaming with ancient wisdom. "Hello, young traveler," the owl hooted in a voice as soft as the wind. "What brings you to these enchanted woods?" "I seek adventure and knowledge," Lily replied, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "I wish to uncover the secrets hidden within these ancient trees." The owl nodded sagely. "Then you are in the right place, dear child. But remember, true wisdom comes not just from seeking knowledge, but also from listening to the whispers of the heart." With those words ringing in her ears, Lily continued her journey through the woods, her heart filled with wonder and curiosity. And though she may not have unraveled all the mysteries of the enchanted forest that day, she knew that every step she took brought her closer to the greatest adventure of all, the journey of self-discovery. And so, with the sun setting behind her and the stars twinkling overhead, Lily returned to her village, her mind brimming with tales of magic and wonder. For in the heart of every adventurer lies a boundless world waiting to be explored, one story at a time.